Modern theoretical physics mathematically demands up to 12 dimensions to function. Limiting our models of the universe to the space we can actually see causes the equations describing reality to fail, triggering infinite mathematical errors. Classical human perception relies on exactly 3 spatial dimensions. Length, width, and depth provide the precise geometric volume required for electromagnetic forces to hold atomic orbitals together, and for gravity to maintain stable planetary orbits. To account for the constant speed of light, Albert Einstein and Hermann Minkowski fused 3-dimensional space and 1-dimensional time into a single pliable fabric. This equation is the invariant interval. It maps how spatial and temporal coordinates distort relative to a moving observer. While observers disagree on physical distance or time elapsed, this mathematical lock ensures the spacetime interval remains universally constant. This 4-dimensional block universe accurately calculates the gravitational pull of stars and galaxies, yet when applied to the subatomic building blocks of reality, the framework breaks down entirely. The crisis begins at the atomic scale, where the smooth curves of 4-dimensional spacetime prove insufficient to describe the chaotic interactions of the quantum realm. Calculating gravity within 4 dimensions results in non-renormalizable infinities. These endless errors strip the theory of its predictive power, making it impossible to model the foundations of the universe. This chart visualizes the hierarchy problem, showing gravity anchored at the bottom of the scale. It is 10 to the 32nd power times weaker than the weak nuclear force hovering at the top. Explaining this massive power gap within a strictly 4-dimensional space requires absurd levels of fine-tuning, forcing arbitrary numbers into the equations to make them balance. Rescuing physics from these mathematical absurdities required a radical expansion of the geometric architecture of reality. Superstring theory addresses these 4-dimensional infinities by replacing 0-dimensional point particles with 1-dimensional vibrating strings. This substitution introduces a new hurdle, the emergence of ghost particles during the quantization process. These ghosts create a catastrophic quantum anomaly that threatens the theory's internal consistency. This equation shows how extra dimensions stabilize the theory. The ghost particles generate a -15 anomaly, canceled out by the positive charge of extra spatial coordinates. With each dimension providing 1.5, mathematical stability is uniquely achieved in exactly 10 dimensions. These additional 6 dimensions are compactified into unimaginably small, tightly curled geometric structures called Calabi-Yau manifolds, existing at the Planck scale. The physical topology of these hidden spaces acts as a blueprint for our universe. A single string vibrates differently based on the specific geometry it is wrapped around. A manifold with an Euler characteristic of -6, for example, naturally produces the exact 3 generations of particles observed in the standard model. These hidden dimensions serve as the unseen geometric engines that generate the mass and charge of all matter in the observable universe. Grounding these theories requires physicists to search for physical signatures of extra dimensions in macroscopic data. The warped extra dimensions model solves the hierarchy problem by proposing a 5-dimensional bulk space. As gravity travels across this bulk, its strength is exponentially suppressed by a geometric warp factor, resulting in the weak force we perceive in our 3-dimensional world. Researchers at the Large Hadron Collider search for massive excitations called Kaluza-Klein gravitons to prove gravity is leaking into this bulk. If these gravitons form during collisions and escape our dimension, they would leave behind a clear signal of missing transverse momentum. Collision energies up to 13 tera-electron volts show no evidence of escaping gravitons, placing limits on extra dimensions. Confirming this, Sloan Digital Sky Survey, mapping of luminous red galaxies, verifies the universe maintains a strictly 3-dimensional distribution beyond 70 megaparsecs. The combination of particle physics and astrophysical surveys dictates that if extra dimensions exist, they remain hidden at the quantum scale, heavily warping the physics we experience on our 4-dimensional brain. 11-dimensional M-theory unifies separate string frameworks by replacing 1-dimensional strings with higher dimensional branes. This framework provides the basis for the holographic principle, which suggests that the 3-dimensional universe we perceive is a projection emerging from complex physics acting on a distant, higher dimensional boundary. 12-dimensional F-theory introduces the exotic concept of a universe with two separate temporal dimensions. To prevent the destruction of causality, usually associated with multiple time axes, F-theory utilizes gauge symmetries in phase space to strictly constrain these temporal coordinates, ensuring the physics remains deterministic. Dimensionality may also be a scale-dependent property. Recent models suggest the universe originates as a two-dimensional quantum foam that geometrically unfolds into 4 dimensions as the scale of observation increases. These dimensional architectures function as fluid mathematical scaffolds that unite all physical laws across the cosmos. Theoretical models suggest the Big Bang may have been triggered by the collision of two massive 4-dimensional branes floating within an 11-dimensional bulk. Visit EduScience for more fact-based explorations into the hidden geometry of the universe. Like and subscribe for your daily dose of science.